My name is Patrick Glover. I'm the owner of UrbanScrapMetal, LLC. You can visit us at UrbanScrapMetal.com and you can learn about all our financial gold products, silver products, our 2.25 troy ounce silver coin, our 2.25 troy ounce gold coin, 24 karat gold. The gold industry is a lucrative industry. A lot of us are buying other products than gold and silver and precious metals. Gold over the past years, maybe 15 years, is the only commodity product that has increased $100 per ounce yearly in value. Meaning we have a lot of gold, silver in our communities that we could be making a lot of money off of. Okay, you can learn how to locate the gold, locate the precious metals. You can learn how to, once the precious metals are located, you can learn how to convert it into your own company coin, own product coin of choice for sale. These are our gold coins. This coin sells for $9,300. Okay, this is our silver product, which sells for $149.99, 2.25 troy ounces. You'll learn the importance of developing a long-lasting relationship with other precious metal buyers and dealers within the industry. For instance, gold this morning, I think it opened up at $1,920. Okay, that's a lot of money once you learn the business behind the precious metals into selling, buying low, selling high, and vice versa. Just like anything else, in order to reach full profit maximization, you have to buy low and sell high. I mean, it's a lot of phenomenal things going on in the industry right now. We've designed a curriculum here at UrbanScrapMetal which talks about all these things. You can email us at om@urbanscrapmetal.com, urbanscrapmetal@gmail.com. You can phone us at 877-876-3148. Okay, we're here to help you. We've opened up another location in the illustrious all-American city of Delray Beach, right off of Lynn Boulevard. Okay, we're here for the community. We're here for the county, the state of Florida. We also have another location for mailing purposes as well in the illustrious city of Boynton Beach, Florida. Like I said, I started out in the precious metal industry. Products such as this going to various different places with my mother. And I mean, we used to wake up Saturday mornings. One of our secrets, we used to go to thrift shops. I'm going to tell you about it, okay? But you have to purchase the curriculum and you have to do what? Register for some type of course or schedule an appointment at our illustrious office so you can know all the hidden secrets about once you enter these thrift shops, how do you locate precious metals? Now, I used to call it field trips. Me and my mom, every Saturday morning, sometimes during the school year when school was out, we used to get up early wee hours and hit all the thrift shops. And I'm like, Mom, you know, why are we always doing this? And we would get a lot of African artwork and we would get a lot of precious metals, silver, gold, and diamonds. And I mean, we have a different knack for locating what's real and what's fake, so forth and so on. And I mean, it's been a phenomenal process over the years, which led me to finish college at the illustrious Lynn University here in Boca Raton, right next door in Boca Raton. And it was a phenomenal curriculum, phenomenal university setting, private sector. And I was able to put the polishing touches on what we have now, UrbanScrapMetal.com, LLC, a world-renowned precious metal dealer. And I believe that we're probably the only minority African-American, African Native American precious metal dealer in Florida, probably let alone the country. And as I mentioned, with these precious metals, we would purchase them on the weekends, okay? And we accumulated so many precious metals over the years, we started being able to turn them into dollars in the currency. And I mean, we would fill up our safe deposit boxes and things of that nature with these precious metals. So what I'm telling you is, within our communities, the Black community, all communities in particular, we have a lot of precious metals. We're big time consumers, but we don't know what to do with them. I'm telling you today, you package those precious metals up and you send them to us at Urban Scrap Metal, 1615 South Congress, Suite 307, Delray Beach, Florida, 33445. And come do it with us. Give us a call at 877-876-3148. We're looking for your business. There's a new day. Okay, everything goes back to even biblical times. Gold shekels and silver shekels. Okay, you have an opportunity to everybody could be self-sufficient with the unprecedented times that we're going through right now. Of course, we're going through unprecedented times, but I'm quite sure everybody has broken silver, broken gold, or diamond bracelets at their home. Okay, you package those up and you send them to us. You package those up, you call us, we do free pickups, we do free deliveries. Okay, no one beats our prices. We're the highest cash payout in the country, and we pride ourselves on that. We pride on paying you more than we could pay ourselves, because our commission fee is standard, and we're gonna make our money because you're gonna refer a customer because we paid you so much. Okay, our goal is to reach full profit maximization. And as I tell people every day, do business with people and companies that want to do business with you. That's the only way to reach full profit maximization. Urban Scrap Metal, we approve this message. Get you some precious metal, silver, or gold, or diamonds. Okay? All right, get those, and we could do business together and reach full profit maximization together. And of course, we're also drinking the best alkaline gold water products money could buy. Look at the gold in it. It's phenomenal. 8-year product, 8-year campaign. Urban Scrap Metal. Glover approves this message.
Do everything one more time again.
Okay.